Good morning to all of you. Today we will start with the question and answer of our chapter number 1, that is nutrition in plants. So the first question of this chapter is, why do organisms take food? So when we discussed this chapter or in the explanation itself, I told you all that एक organism को food की requirement क्यों होती है? Because the food is required to get energy. हमें अपने food से energy मिलती है and that energy is utilized by the body for the growth and maintenance of the body. आप जितना भी daily work कर पाते हो, like playing or studying, whatever work you do, that work requires energy and that energy is fulfilled by the food that you intake. So the answer of this question is as follows. All organisms need food and utilize it to get energy for growth and maintenance of their body. The question answers which I am writing over here, you have to do this in your fair notebook using blue and black pen both, along with the date and the chapter name. Now our next question. Question number 2 says, distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. Distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. So in your lecture you all have already heard about these two terms, parasite and saprotroph. In fact, in the exercises part also many of the times you have come across these terms. तो parasite आपके क्या होते हैं? Parasite are the organisms which take the nutrition from the host plant on which they climb. वो क्या करते हैं? एक host plant के ऊपर climb करके उनका सारा nutrition ले लेते हैं and make the host plant deprive मतलब जो host plant होता है जिसके ऊपर आपका parasite climb करता है वो खुद lack of nutrients हो जाता है. But in case of saprotrophs are such type of organisms which take nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter. वो dead and decaying matter के ऊपर dependent रहते हैं for their food. The examples you can give is parasite आपका सबसे ज़्यादा जो आपने इस chapter में सुना है, that is the cuscuta. The other name of cuscuta is amarbeil. In case of saprotroph, the easiest example that you can learn is fungi. So you will write the difference by dividing the page into two equal halves. I'm not dividing the page, but you will divide it into two equal halves and then you will write. Use the scale. I'm not using scale, but you all have to use the scale to divide, okay? Parasite, saprotroph. First point in parasite, such type of plants which take food from host plants. Saprotroph. Such type of organisms which take nutrients, NUTRIENTS, IENTS, nutrients in solution. Solution मतलब in liquid form. FORM, in liquid form. From and from में confuse मत होना. In solution form from dead and decaying matter. Okay, now in the second point you can write the examples of both. Example: Cuscuta, CUSCUTA. Many of you are doing the spelling mistake in Cuscuta and Amabel. In case of saprotroph, fungi. Okay, go through it again. Such type of plants which take food from the host plant by depriving it from the nutrients. Saprotroph, such type of organisms which take nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter. Example: Cuscuta and Amabel. Now for today you all have to write these two answers in your fair notebook and you have to learn them by heart, okay? And write very clearly without doing any spelling mistake. Tomorrow we'll continue with the next question. Have a nice day.